They say you can sneeze at 100 miles per hour, but is that actually true? To put that claim to the test, the team set up a simple experiment with one volunteer. Here's how it worked. They grabbed a table and carefully marked a piece of tape exactly 1 foot from the edge. Then they stretched out 2 thin threads to act as a track that would guide a ping pong ball in a straight line. When the volunteer sneezed, the force of the sneeze would push the ball, and the team would measure how long it took to cover that 1 foot distance. Now it was test time. To help trigger the sneeze, the team used a special sneezing powder. Finally, the sneeze happened. The ball shot forward, and the team's timer showed that the ball crossed the 1 foot track in just 0.4 seconds. When scaled up, that's only about 1.7 miles per hour. So the big claim? Totally busted.